Hi there. This video is designed to show you a little bit about the online tool in Canvas called Collaborations. If your faculty member or professor instructs you to collaborate with others, you will be directed to this left-hand navigation bar. And as you can see, there's Collaborations. In this case, it appears below Conferences and above Attendance. As it turns out, you may also get a notification from Canvas that you've been invited to collaborate. So once you receive that, or once you've received instruction from your faculty member, go to your home page and then click on Collaborations. As you can see in this demo, we've gone to the current collaborations, and there is one set up as a demo. There, you can simply click on that. Now note that faculty members can either set up a Google Doc or perhaps even a Microsoft Word or Microsoft Excel Office 365 collaborative document. In this case, as we're about to discover, it's a Google Doc. And it will take you directly to that Google Doc, and perhaps there may be some details already added to that document by the instructor or by one of your peers, one of your colleagues in the course. There you would simply, as in many collaborative documents, make your contributions and then continue on as instructed. If at any point you want to go back to the collaborative page, obviously you click on the tab at the top, and this takes you back to the Collaborations tool on Canvas. Your instructor may have given you the possibility to start a new collaboration. Here is a place where you can work with other students and set up groups and shared documents, collaborative documents that folks in the group can see. We're not going to explore that today. We just wanted to make sure that you knew what the Collaborations tool was and how to access it. Thank you very much.